Good morning. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we'll learn how to use different selection methods to edit images. In the previous lesson, we explored the Object Selection tool, but there are many other ways to cut and crop images inside Photoshop. Okay, we are going to see different way to use this interesting function because the selection function is very useful to create digital collage. So can be very useful if you want to create new project using photos. First of all, we need to open the Photoshop software and create a new file. So I click in this blue button in the top left, okay, new file. This will open a window, okay, where I can select the dimension of the image. So I click on print here. I select A4 format, landscape orientation, and I leave 300 the resolution in order to be sure of the quality of the image, and I click on create. This is the space, the dimension of my image. Now I need an image to start to use this as a background. So I go in the top bar, menu bar, and I find file, I click on file, place embedded, and I select my image. Great. When I place the image, I have the opportunity to change the dimension. So I click on the corner of the image, I keep press the option button so I can change the dimension without distorting the image. And when I finish to edit the image, I click on the enter button. So option button, okay, and click on the corner to change the dimension but by maintaining the proportion, and enter button to complete any action on the image. Now I want to show you how to change, this is a beautiful window, how to change the landscape you can see through the window. So I need another image with a landscape. So file, again in the top menu, okay, file, and then place embedded, and I select my new landscape and place. Okay, now I want to make it a little smaller, so I click here, okay, and I place in the right side and I click enter. Okay, as you can see here in the layer section, okay, I have one layer here with the background image and one layer here with the new landscape. If I want to make it not visible, I just need to click on the little icon of the eye, okay, to hide the layer for a moment. This is what we need to do. Now I click on the layer with the image of the background. I go here in the bottom of the layer little window and I click the plus icon to create a new layer. I use this tool, okay, the rectangle mark tool, okay, because the shape I need to cut is just a rectangle. So I just need to click on the top left and drag and drop my mouse. Okay, let's do it again. Maybe we can make it smaller. Okay. So I click on the mouse in one corner, the top left, and I go down to the bottom right to create the rectangular selection. That's fine. Now I make it visible, the new layer. I click inside this layer because I need to be inside that layer to cut the pixels, and I press Command C, okay, Command C. Now I go here, I create a new layer, I click on this new layer and I click Command V, Command V. Now I just need to hide this layer and you can see my new image.